very, I mean, great night, I guess. It's midnight where I'm at right now. All right, we'll see what London session is gonna do today. As you guys are hopping on, keep smashing the like button. I guess a lot of people don't know that live right now. Oh, let me check this trade out. This was the trade we took this morning, yesterday morning. All right. So I'm kind of liking GJ here. We have let me turn these Q zones on so you guys will actually understand. So we have the Asian session on right now. So we have the Asian highs and we got the Asian lows, and this was the previous New York session low right here. So if we break this most recent Asian highs, then we'll be taking buys. If we break the Asian lows, we'll be taking sells. Simple as simple as that. Simple as ABC. So, but I'm actually bullish on GJ, but we'll see what happens. So buys above 164,700 on GJ and sells below 164,100. That's how it's gonna be. Good morning, Tony. Good morning, Richie. So as you guys are opening on, smash that like button for me. So GG looks nice. Let's see Euro JPY. With Euro JPY, if we turn the Q zones on here, we actually have the Asian highs right over here. We have the Asian highs over here, but we have this resistance here, excuse me, right at the Asian close. So we got to be careful. No, actually, the previous London session, which was yesterday, we have the highs here. So buys above 139,700 is so buys above 139,700 on EJ, and we have buys above 164,700 on GJ. How ironic. So Asian highs, and we got Asian lows right here. So sells below that zone, sells below 139.000. Excuse me, guys, on EJ. So let's see, do we have any major news for London session today? Let's see what we have. All right, no major news today for the London session, so it should be a good one. So we'll see. Good morning, Sir Eric. Good morning, Brian. Damn, Brian, you still awake? You not asleep? Good morning, Kish. So we'll see what happens here. Let me play some music. Can you guys hear the music? And can you guys hear me well as well? I'm probably gonna have to get that tomorrow. No, I need a better song. I love this beat here. It's a very nice beat. Oh, you're heading to DFW in 2 hours? Okay, hopefully we'll take a trade before then, and it will be a banger. London session actually opens in an hour. All right, thank you, Kish. So we also have have a support right here. We put this right over here. A potential TP target if GJ drops. So Friday looks froze. We'll see. We actually just broke a 15-minute low here at 164.360. If I go to the 15-minute on GJ, we broke this 15-minute low, but now we're waiting to see if we're gonna break this Asian lows here. So we'll see what happens. My video is frozen. Is it my webcam that's frozen or my video? Give me a second, because looks like the video is still playing. Just me? Let me see. I don't know why. Give me a second. Wow, so my webcam is tripping today. Really, he said looks like my name is there. That's funny. Okay, my webcam is froze. See if I, damn, my webcam is really froze. Alright. So hopefully it doesn't freeze again. Is my webcam still froze? That was hilarious. I don't know, my webcam was tripping. If we break below these Asian lows, we should at least come back down to this support here. Good morning, Mario. Alright, we just got to be patient, guys. So, price came down. Price came down. Price came down. We created a lower low. Then price went up. We created a lower high. All right, and we rejected, making that the Asian highs. And now we're sitting at this support right over here. Lower low, lower high. Now we kind of have a lower low right here. If we break this lower low here, we should be heading down to this previous low right over here. All right. Okay. We'll see. This is a fire jam right here. I'm loving this beat. I like GJ better. I've been trading. I've been trading London session on my own with my VIPs. Now you guys will be trading London session with me. I said GG looking tasty. Yes, I agree. How you say the candy shop is open? I feel you, Tony.
Yeah. Oh my vibe on your mind. Oh my trust on your mind. Him no make you happy. No. Him no make you feel like I do. They both turning my way. Yeah. I can feel you warming up to me. Oh.
We need to start working on asset protection strategies, legacy wealth for you and for my family and velocity banking. All right, I hear you, Brian.
Stuck in my mind, things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Oh my God, when you're stuck in my mind. Oh my trust on your mind. Did not see you last week. Told me you will make it up to me. Just wanted you closer, closer. Electric feel when you brush up on me. Oh, think I got a
So we're currently rejecting these Asian lows right now.
girl, you took my heart like a repo. All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she knows. Oh, stuck in my mind, things I would do for you. Stuck in my mind, long nights thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Oh my God, when you're stuck in my mind. Oh my trust on your mind. Stuck in my mind, things I
I'm not looking for buys anywhere on GJ except above 164 700 and my sales below 164 100 looks like.
oh my vibe on your mind. Oh my trust on your mind. Oh my vibe on your mind.
Morning, New
Oh my
Yapo.
trust on your mind.
EJ also rejecting the Asian lows right now. And if GJ freaking tanks, GJ could even probably get to 162,900 because we got a very strong zone at 162,900. So we'll see. Thank you for subscribing. Forever love. I need this webcam to freaking come down a little bit. Yeah. Patience, 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 patience. You're welcome to the family. What's this actually? These songs. $200K live account. Are you a funded? Are you a funded trader? Forever love. Nice, man. Very good. You go funded 200K. Nice. That's very impressive. Yes, Morgan. I said it yesterday morning that I'm gonna start streaming London session. Because for the past 2 weeks, London session has been amazing. And New York session just sucked, for me at least. So decided to start London session, and who knows, maybe we might do London for the whole month of July. We'll see how it goes. I can trade London. I don't have any issues with it. This is what I do. You feel me? This is what I do. I can trade London and just sleep down in New York. But I'll be taking one trade on my own starting from next week down in New York just to see how it goes. And then we will trade London together. I'll send signals to my VIP down in London and send one more trade to them down in New York. But on stream, we'll trade London together. Yes, Forever Love. The link is in the description. Do I have any funded account? No, I trade my own capital. Yes, Forever Love. The link is in the description. Or if you type on the chart, if you type exclamation premium, then you get the link. You can either click the link in the description, or you can type you can type exclamation premium and you get the link. Alright, this candle closes in 2 minutes. We still need closure below. To get that today. Good morning, Maluleka. If we can get closure below 164 100 in the next 30 minutes, that would be nice. Let's since we trade in London, it's midnight where I'm at. It might be after midnight where some of you at. So let's listen to some hip hop. Let's listen to some hip hop. Damn, where is it? And why can't I find it? Let's do mainstream hip hop. I need one with vocals. Well, let's see what we got. Oh, this better not be trash. If it's too loud, let me know, guys. Yeah, I'm streaming London session now until further notice. Damn, Nightbot is tripping. Nightbot is catching everything.
Yeah, yeah. Wait. Wait.
So this 30-minute candle right here, it could either continue dropping or we could still reject. So I'd rather stay away from it and just let it close before I get in. What is this madness? That's Nightbot.
I'm up now, don't hit me to make it right. I'm at it, dole up and taking mines. Niggas scared of the heights that I'm reaching for. Don't even know what you're reaching towards. Don't even know what you're reaching for. I really went from wearing rags on me to his racks on me. First class, they ain't got a
I've not taken any trades.
Bitch, I'm raiding the mainframe. Turn my pain into paint on a canvas. I've been a head case. Ben Frank only right, I get Ben Franklin. Burn two ends of the candle. Won't be the first one, get rich in my family. They don't understand me. I used to be nice guy. To the world, told me cold. Now my guard up, I'm far. Don't trust nobody. Now she never did want me. She talking real naughty. Nah, I ain't sorry. Been slept on, they groggy. I'm really bout it. I'm off the cloud in this bitch. I'm real rowdy. I'm going off. Had no chances. I do not answer to anybody. Amped up, put my stamp on the canvas. I'm ramped up. Me, my dog, this my tandem. I do this for life. They just post for the camera. They scrambling. They not me. They rambling. I want me a mansion. I know it's my season. I'm going to the stanza. I'm somewhere tucked off.
So this candle right here could either just leave us or we could see a rejection here. So we'll see what happens. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting.
They locked in their feelings, they barking these riddles. Already told you, won't find no one realer. I go from me cool to the top of your list. Turn this to a crib and a whip with a tint on it. Phone been on silent, I been on my shit. Whole globe on the fritz, I bought up my fist. Bitch, part of my glitz, stick a part of me sick with it like it's 06. Going dumb in the sticks on a bitch real quick.
In the next 20 minutes, we'll have closure on the H1 also.
Been acting real different. No, I'm at your neck, I won't loosen my grip. Out in that stress, take a toll on my shit. I've been on deck, let me save my peace, let me talk my shit. Look, I'm so red at the flare, make you squint. I've been on edge, I've been living too quick. I can't get to sleep. No, It's all in my reach. No, I've been living too fast. Look in my eyes and don't blink.
Psychological level at 164. Yes, I see what you're saying with all these wicks right here. I see what you're saying. All these wicks right here.
Grow because there are people who are waiting on you.
But as long as we close below 164, 100, then GJ should drop. And if GJ just decided to freaking tank all the way here before London session opens, then we got this next zone at 163, 600. I would rather wait for this candle to close before I jump in.
Yeah, yeah. Wait. Sway. They claim they want beef like I ain't in it teed up. I turn them to vegan. I'm really a creature. She sent me the beacon. I beat it and flee it. They talk like these niggas won't beat me. They can't. I'm somewhere tucked off. I'm laid in the shade and I'm counting mine. Still ain't made it. I'm jaded. My latest, my greatest. I ain't ever caving. They see me. I'm him. I'm a gym in the soil. It's by the time. I've been after mine. I'm one with the culture. They more like a gimmick. I'm pushing the needle. I'm leaving the key in. It's running on meter. I won't be a foreign. I need them to see me. Yeah, I know it's.
Alright, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Bring around the rosy, pockets full like OD. I can
Damn, they didn't pay attention to AJ.
me low key, still do more numbers than your fame. You can hate, but you can't say
Alright.
I've been missing any place, any fool. What it do? Moving quick, bust it move, steps ahead, cause I'm not working while you trying to catch a snooze. Keep it smooth, not concerned with other dudes or what they do. Keep it true, I kick the truth. I'm not in so I can lose. Yeah. I just like it back, tell the bank, tell her on us. Put in overtime so I do what I wanna. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Okay.
Alright. Gotta pay for this. Can't do it right now.
Full court press, none stress when I'm working. Full court press, none less than 100. Full court press, straight flex, close the curtain. Full court press to the top from the surface. Yeah, and I stay humble. Hit me for a feature, don't you come with no petty numbers. Talking about some leverage, but you been had plenty from us. Fed you for the low so I could double when the any coming. You can't take a penny from us. Full court press, Bobby Knight with my attitude. You wouldn't understand, so I can't be mad at you. You ever had to roll coins to get to the next week? Working for the 10, had to rush to the 10 and 2. And that made me a better man. Now it's backstage business and shaking hands. I don't do this for Instagram. This is real life for real. My real life for real. For real. So I do what I, yeah. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Full court press, none stress when I'm working. Full court press, none less than 100. Full court press, straight flex, close the curtain. Full court press to the top from the surface.
If you guys want to join the Discord, but if you join the Discord, you're gonna have to mute yourself on YouTube. I'm gonna I'm gonna open the Discord right now. Let's see. Hey man, I thought I had it open. Did I? I'm leading with logic, my heartbeat is frosted. I seen it, got optics I needed from Charlotte. She mean with the top, and it's obvious. They need him a target, I'm dodging in darts, make 'em reach for the stars. I'm dumping, I'm forcing the pun off the runs. I'm moving with caution, I'm saucing my nigga is nothing. From nothing to something I'll never be. Tycooning, I'm Jay with the thizzle face. I'm nothing my section has ever seen. Run the ice so I'm touch, I don't need a screen. I'm Curry, I push it from 30 deep. Do the pin in the pad like it's surgery. She be curving you just to flirt with me. Alright, you can go ahead and join the Discord as well if you want to. And just click on the voice channel, Phoenix FX Live and Audio. You'll see it once you get in Discord. And you can ask me any question if you want to, and we can, just have fun while trading. Alright, guys. We're gonna wait for this candle to close. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. The Discord link is down below in the description, and it's in the chat as well. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. Tell you what we're waiting for. Alright. Oh, what the hell? Okay. I'll be right back. Hey. They been on their ass, bitch, I'm on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out, I hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on film. Niggas facade, get applaud, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell. I got a show where she dipping them nails. I'm flipping my L's, I know they can tell. I did it too major, they hit me for favors. Been him since the cable was cut in the cradle. What's up, only right that I do it. Colossal until I'm a boss, so they want me to fail. Look, we prevail. Tell them to point out who said that they run it. Bitch, I'm on your tail. Know that they talking, they telling them tales. Just know how to tell, that shit for the sale. Hey, they talk like they got it, but they need to stop it. I'm leading with logic, my heartbeat is frosted. I seen it, got optics I needed from Charlotte. She mean with the top, and it's obvious. They need him a target, I'm dodging in darts, make 'em reach for the stars. I'm dumping, I'm forcing the pun off the runs. I'm moving with caution, I'm saucing my nigga is nothing. From nothing to something I'll never be. Tycooning, I'm Jay with the thizzle face. I'm nothing my section has ever seen. Run the ice so I'm touch, I don't need a screen. I'm Curry, I push it from 30 deep. Do the pin in the pad like it's surgery. She be curving you just to flirt with me. Toolie tucked off, but the jewels out. I just sent her home with a full mouth. I'm a rare breed when the moon out. I'ma stop playing by the rules now. I been ran plays, need a new route. Queen said she needs space in a new house. Mom told me that she pray for the kid every day. No wonder I'm getting paid for the tunes now. They on the ass, bitch, I'm on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out, I hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on. Niggas facade, get applaud, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell. Niggas really outside with it. Roll with it. Roll with it. Roll with it. Alright, I'm back, guys.
Your illusions, I got no perception. What is real, what's your projection? I make you dizzy in your head, got no protection. You're lost in the game, can't remember your name. Falling on the hole and a ship will come to play. You can get no sleep, stay awake and on the bed. Make you save your problems for another day. I'm your getaway, but you can get away. You just close your eyes when you wish to be free. You look up to the sky and call on me. Let me put color in the sky, take away the gray. Turn the roof to a floor on a Saturday. Up it tall in the night, you do what I say. I'm just a getaway, I'm just a getaway. I'll make you warm if it's chilly and I probably make
Can you guys still hear me?
I'm like a 9 to 5 job, and you work for me. I'm your getaway, 'cause you can get away.
Okay, looks like my webcam froze on me again. I don't know what's going on with my webcam today. Yeah, it froze on me again. My webcam is really tripping. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's really tripping today. Five-minute retracing. Hopefully we'll get a retest right here. And we can have a decent and nice entry on the 30-minute. Why is this song repeating? Alright, Mima.
And I'm still here with who I started with. Not your average artist, I am not the one to bargain with. Competition, target practice, I don't see no targets hit. I fear God and that's all I fear. This is not a starter kit. This is not gas, this is Gucci to the cardigan. Down to the moccasins. This is not a brag, I can hardly care. Lately I've been bugging, buying clothes that I'm hardly wear. Being broke is what I feel. I've been down. Yeah, I've been down. I've been down. We all know. I've been down. Yeah, I've been down. I've been down. We all know. Here now, so I'ma make it last. Look for the future, I can't live in the past. And I seen a picture, died in that crash. But thank God I ain't too cool for the safe belt.
Man, what's going on with my webcam? My webcam is really tripping.
But they're strong, and we move on. 5 steps back, but bet that I put 10 on. I put 10 on.
My webcam is really tripping today, man. What the hell is wrong with this thing? Yo, Zay, how you doing, bro? Look sharp, thank you. Yeah, just let me know, guys, if my webcam freaking freezes again.
Yeah, I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride, this one's for who knew I make it, just needed some time.
Alright, this 15-minute candle flip bearish. Well, this candle closes in 7 minutes, and London session opens in 7 minutes.
To the videos, they thought I was a black guy. That's hard to get over. I'm foreign in this world, but I'm fully devoted. I don't take it for granted that the door's been open. I knew I was different. I knew I was chosen. A breadwinner, but I'm soft-spoken. Authentic like a 5950, and there's no cap. Let's have a toast to that. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real.
I'm not getting in, guys. I'm just having everything ready.
They done baptized the bad guy. Still don't follow religion. The fabric's not average. The cotton's Egyptian. 500 for the shoes come dirty, but the European. Less is more and less is the bank.
How many pips do we have back to this support?
From the tray, I'm balling like
About
Trey.
30 pips.
Do what I can, I do what you can't. I wrote this 30,000 feet up. 10 toes stay G'd up. I'm trying to get that type of wealth like a house on the hills can't see us. Say the money still need up. Staying humble, stay teed up. I don't tell you how to live, so don't hit me with no weak stuff. And if you know the deal, then you know the deal. If it's real, then you know it's real. Toast. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real.
We're not in yet, guys. Alright, we got 4 more minutes. We might have a better entry than this by the time this candle closes. So we'll see.
I like my coffee black, white too. Don't turn this to no controversy. It's my boo.
And also we might have a tighter stop loss than this by the time we get in.
Times two. If it's money on the table, I'll be on it like Bobby or Epic. You peep the aesthetic. It's hard to forget it. I hear you talking.
I just didn't want to get in. I didn't want to get in right here on this 15-minute candle because this is a very good 15-minute candle, but I didn't want to take it because London session is about to open and anything can freaking happen. If I miss GJ because I'm trying to be careful here, then I'll look to possible take EJ. So we'll see. This 15-minute candle really looks good.
Heading to a meeting worth $1 million with no briefcase. Just my mind in a free state. I got a plan through a vision, but it takes time. I'ma make mine. Summertime in NY. Summertime in NY.
Yep, we're gonna see what London does, and if it keeps dropping, then we could still have an entry here though, because this candle has not closed yet. And if we do not have an entry here, you know, there's no need to be worried. We can have an entry below this support here, and that's below 163,600. So we'll see. Yeah, GGS kind of went too far. Yeah, GGS went too far. Man, they're really dropping now, right before London close. The good thing is that we're breaking the Asian low, and we got the New York low right here. So uh, I'm lagging. Yeah, GJ went too down. I'm in, guys. I'm in, EJ. Bam. Did you guys get in? Damn, I couldn't even send this to my VIP. Come on now. Better keep it dropping. Do.
Her skin tinted brown sheets and it's Chanel. Hit the highway when she hitting my cell. Body talking to me, I've been listening well. The type of shit make you forget that you been living in hell. This for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text. I know the Lord real and it shows that he blessed me. It's for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text. I know the Lord real and it shows that he blessed me. Ay, look, incense turn to ash, day turning to night. Hate it when the unsaid turn into fights. Gotta keep it player, I'ma speak on the real. This love really ain't a game, girl, don't sleep on the field. You make a nigga from the low side, hit a high note. Presidential pussy, girl, you getting my vote. Shower for an hour, then we hit the hydro. Hit the road, she be down to go wherever I go. I know, I done fucked around and snagged me a keeper. Down the ride with me till we
I took a sell on EJ.
Girl, you know daddy don't play that. We ain't never declined since we met way back. So baby, just recline, go ahead, lay back. Her skin tinted brown sheets and it's Chanel. Hit the highway when she hitting my cell. Body talking to me, I've been listening well. The type of shit make you forget that you've been living in hell. This for the grown and the sexy.
We opened bullish, then we flipped bearish. That's why I took this sell on EJ. We broke the Asian lows.
I know the Lord real and it shows that he blessed me. Look, Canon turn the fumes, night turning the day. If you ain't got work, girl, you welcome to stay. Your ex was a fool when he turned you away. I turn your ass to the side, now you ready to play. I play it off like a player, but you seen right through it. She don't waste a minute, we be getting right to it. Netflix playing, we ain't seen one scene. Got a new text message, left it clean on scene. Now I seen what it means to be seen with a queen. Seems so serene, you a scene from a dream. New toothbrush in the bathroom for you. You ain't never gotta leave, I got mad room for you. Trying to show you something that you probably never seen, baby. And if you with it, make it a forever thing, baby. Smooth like butter, let me cut right through. Trying to give your ass a baby to look just like you. Her skin tinted brown sheets and it's Chanel. Hit the highway when she hitting my cell. Body talking to me, I've been listening well. The type of shit make you forget that you've been living in hell. This for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text me. I know the Lord real and it shows that he blessed me. It's for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text me. I know the Lord real and it shows that he blessed me.
You think I'll lose it? Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Come on, bleed. Bleed, 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 bleed. Freaking bleed, EJ.
Her skin tinted brown sheets and it's Chanel. Hit the highway when she hitting my cell. Body talking to me, I've been listening well. The type of make you forget that you've been living in. It's for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text me.
Come on, bleed, man. You're playing too many games. Freaking bleed already.
It's for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text me. I know the Lord real and it shows.
Bleed, man.
Ay, look, incense turn to ash, day turning to night. Hate it when the unsaid turn into fights. Gotta keep it player, I'ma speak on the real.
Of course it's gonna be a win. It has to be a win.
You make it from the low side, hit a high note. Presidential, girl, you getting my vote. Shower for an hour, then we hit the hydro. Hit the road, she be down to go wherever I go.
Come on, man. Bleed, 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 bleed.
Down the ride with me till we both meet the reaper. Up late nights, guess she really ain't a sleeper. Bet the neighbors know my name, got them acting like a creeper. Anything on your mind, baby girl, just say that. Been a bad girl, you know daddy don't play that. We ain't never declined since we met way back. So baby, just recline, go ahead, lay back. Her skin tinted brown sheets and it's Chanel. Hit the highway when she hitting my cell. Body talking to me, I've been listening well. The type of make you forget that you've been living in. It's for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text me. I know the Lord real and
GJ was the trade I was looking to take today,
it's for the grown and the
but
sexy.
I'll settle with EJ. So EJ, you better
I know the Lord real and it shows that he blessed me.
you better do the right thing.
Candle turn the fumes, night turning the day. If you ain't got work, girl, you welcome to stay. Your ex was a fool when he turned you away. I turn your to the side, now Now you ready to play? I play it off like a player, but you seen right through it. She don't waste a minute, we be getting right to it. Netflix playing, we ain't seen one scene. Got a new text message, left it clean on scene. Now I seen what it mean to be seen with a queen. Seems so serene, you a scene from a dream. New toothbrush in the
I
bathroom.
hate it sometimes when
Never gotta
Evo
leave, I got
JPY
mad
does
room.
this.
Trying to show you something that you probably never seen, baby. And if you with it, make it a forever thing, baby. Smooth like butter, let me cut right through. Trying to get your baby to look just like you. Her skin tinted brown sheets and it's Chanel. Hit the highway when she hitting my cell. Body talking to me, I've been listening well. The type of make you forget that you been living it. It's for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text me. I know the Lord real and it shows that he blessed me.
Since we broke the
It's for the
Asian
grown
low,
and the sexy.
I'm
Go
really
ahead and text me.
anticipating that it should get to the New York low.
I know the Lord real and it shows that he blessed me.
To the New York low at least. I'm probably get back down to the previous day, 2 days ago, Asian session lows as well. Yeah, GJ was a good setup, but not until right now, not until it breaks this uh New York session lows. Come on, man. Get us that freaking 10 pips. 10 pips, take partial profit, move stops to entry, and see if we're gonna get a runner.
I got blessings falling on me.
I said it yesterday.
Weapons need no armor.
All
Stacking
right,
up
if
tattoos,
you
you don't
got
stab my
12 pips
family,
already,
you don't
I know some of you probably
yeah.
got in
Hey
too
now,
late.
it's a new kid on the
Just
block.
move your
I'm
stops
so
to
many
entry.
racks on me. You would've thought I was
If
a
you
straight
did
now.
already,
I didn't
then
know
let's
I
see
was
that
paying now. I
W's.
can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, know they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net
If you did
worth.
already, let's see that W. So time, come on, give me that W in the chat.
Didn't know now, I know you know now. Best kept secret going top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best kept secret going top, you not really
I
top.
said it.
You
I
keep
said
saying
it.
top, well I guess you let the top
I
down.
said it
Make a
yesterday
bitch
during New
smile,
York
yeah
that
now.
I'll be streaming London session,
I got everything I wanted in this
and
life,
I
I
actually
live for
left
real
it in
now.
Discord
Came from
also.
nothing, just another state boy. Now I'm living life for real now. Need nothing, just an engine with some muscle. Say 4 days, I just blame it on the hustle. Got these tattoos on my skin. I promise I'm no trouble. Went from cash inside the duffel, now six inside the Russell. I get fly, you be crutching on designer that ain't fly. And then I scoop the cat or something fast for when I
Make
slide.
sure you
Ain't
move
got
your
nothing
stops
but
to
time
entry,
for the
guys, and
Chinese.
take
On
partials.
my lonely, I just start
Let's see if we're gonna get a runner.
yeah, this is not a trend. Tattoos on my skin. I'm my daddy's twin. I'm a businessman, just like Jigga said. Pennies to an end. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best kept secret going top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best kept secret going top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down.
Yep, if you took it when I called it, you definitely should be at 10 pips right now, even more, because this thing has went down. It has went down. All right, 12 pips. AG has went down 12 pips.
Riding to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Sniffing on an M, I need one of those. Sniffing on an M like I got a cold. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know.
So I'm just gonna call it here as 10 pips.
But I keep you on a need to know. Came up from the bottom, started from the floor. Looking to bags under my eyes, on my mommy floor. Always know the plan, I know dummy knows. Always been myself, never had to fake. Had to cut off friends, had to lose a weight. Took a couple L's, charged it to the game.
I knew if we switch to London, we're gonna get a winner because London session moves has been better. New York session has been trash.
Sniffing on an M like I got a cold. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. How we got up here, you don't need to know.
You didn't get 10 pips yet, Frank?
You wanna need to know.
Oh, I had UJ here also. Oh,
See the guy, but I flex and I never lie. Keep the comments, but I let
actually, you know what, guys? I didn't take EJ. I took it on my other account, so I might took UJ here on my main account. I might take UJ on my main account. So honestly, EJ should keep dropping. I'm gonna see if I'll be able to take USDJPY on my main account, but the thing is, USDJPY it's not really a London session pair, so it might not really move compared to GJ and EJ. GJ is trying to flip bullish. On AJ, sales below 93, 200 should be nice on AJ. So I'm gonna move this right here, and if EJ stop us out, then that's it. Yeah, we might get stopped out. We might get stopped out.
It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I filled my mattress, paid my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do
If you just start dropping again, I might take it, but maybe not because I don't like what it's actually doing and it's not a London session pair. So trading UJ during London, I really wouldn't advise it, except if it's Asian session and New York session. In my own opinion, Asian session and New York session, those are the 2 best time frames to trade USDJPY. So definitely not London. The if it was GU, then yeah, GU will be better. Not USD JPY. Um, you said Evo is at lowest rate. I don't understand what you're saying, AJ. Yes, Sultan. I said it yesterday morning. I'm switching to London session until further notice. All right, stopped out of EJ. Stopped out of EJ. Is anyone else still in? I'll take the 10 pips. Yesterday, London station, man, EJ paid me 50 pips with his buys during London session. Today, he decided to give me only 10 pips. I'll take it. It's Friday, anyways. It's 2 a.m. here. All right. Let's see what we get in the next 1 hour 30 minutes. If we're gonna keep dropping, but right now AJ is rejecting this support. GJ just flipped bullish. But man, if USD JPY does come down, just look at this clean traffic to the left. Look at this clean traffic to the left right here. Very clean. Very nice clean traffic to the left. It's about 50 pips. 50 pips range. I look I look free on London session and tired in US session. So please join London session every day. All right. All right, that's what we're doing. EJ could be clean soon. I feel like it should still drop. I feel like it should still drop, even though we kind of have this support right over here on EJ. GG was really the trade I was gonna take just because of this move, these candles here. But this could still drop as well.
I want to. Like, hey, every time I look out, I'm on my lookout. Cause tripping, no, I ain't hoping, no sense in voting. Politicians, all of that hating.
I wish this 15-minute candle was the 2 a.m. candle. If this candle was right when London opened, man, I definitely would have taken GJ.
Brought that 380, all of my brothers pray for their mothers, cause I can't tame them, got no answer, can't kill the
Because the
cancer.
2 a.m. candle, the London session open candle didn't even drop at all. It was a rejection candle. And this candle right here on the 15-minute could also mean that we probably going bullish, but at the same time we're below this Asian lows, so we could just be going back up just to retest this Asian lows, this support zone at 164 100, and then we have a downtrend continuation. So it's a possibility until we close above 164 100. We're still in a sell. Until that happens, we're still in a sell.
I'm looking, maybe we find a way to put your heart to the surface and put your mind away. They dropped a zero.
Alright, so the broker that I use is called Ankle Trade. With this broker, you can either use MT4 or MT5. I love using MT5, so that's what the platform I use them on, and that's the platform I use to trade now. And for the account types, you can either use ECN Plus or ECN. I recommend ECN Plus. And Ankle spread have very good low spread starting from 0.0 pips, maximum leverage up to 1 to 500. I use 1 to 500 as my leverage. Negative balance protection, they have low commissions, matching deposit bonus as well that you can apply for. But if you're applying for a matching deposit bonus, you got to make sure your leverage is not more than 1 to 200. So I recommend these two account types, ECN or ECN Plus, depending on your account size. Like I said, if you have $1,000, go with ECN Plus. If you have less than $1,000, just go with the regular ECN. And then if you're interested in signing up with Ankle Trade, you can use my link down below in the description. Now let's get back to today's trading. Alright, we're completely free bullish on EJ. Closure below with lows. I kind of understand what's going on right now because shit, man, it's Friday. Well, that was still a we are lucky to get 10 pips. Yeah, I kind of feel the same way. Because honestly, I was expecting it to at least get back to 138,600. Was at least expecting it to get to 138,600. Well, looks like on the 4-hour we rejected this resistance here, this bullish candle, this wick right here. That's where we rejected from, and we could still come down too. We could still come down. Yeah. Even AJ just gave at least 30 pips before the bullish flip here. So we really didn't have like a crazy move London Open. So we didn't have a crazy move compared to yesterday. But USD JPY might finally drop during New York session, but I'm not trading New York session today. I don't even do Fridays. Alright. Everything is nuts. Indices are flying. Indices is moving right now. I don't like trading those though in London. Frank, you must love trading indices. A lot of Euro news. I mean, according to Forex Factory, the Euro news is at 4 a.m. and it's just a low impact news. Yeah, if we close above on EJ, we might be going back up.
Old school weed, sending nothing but some cheese in it. Full pack of top papers, about to put some peas in it. Twerk it for me, baby, and make sure you put your knees in it. I got leg room, I could probably fit your knees in it. What y'all know about that?
Shit, the main thing is that it at least gave me 10 pips before it did what it did.
Popping like you better be when you the proper pedigree. Blowing sweet and sour while I'm chewing on that sesame. Know that God blessing me so they can't get the best of me. Sometimes he be testing me so I perfect my recipe. Cocoa butter cutter got it cracking at the crib. We some ghetto boys, now lacking where I live. I might ride around my side of town, I'm flexing, feeling fancy. Just filled up my stomach, I got extra in the pantry. Getting top and winning, still no, I don't need no plan B. Only give a about my freedom and my family. Keep it playing, keep it pushing.
So, since we already have it out of win, there's really nothing else for me to do here. It's a Friday. I'm gonna take that EJ trade, the 10 pips he gave, and that's it. But before I end this stream, I'm gonna show you guys real quick how I really mark up my chart. So I'm gonna delete all this. So let's go to the 4 hour. When I'm marking up my charts, now we're gonna start on the 4 hour. From the 4 hour, we go to the H1, and then we could finish it up on the lower time frame that I trade on, which is the 30-minute. Now we focus on the lows and the highs. If you want to let me actually make it simple for you guys. Let me make it simple for you guys. So right now we at London session, right? Now, if you go here on trading view, you go to indicators, you can search for an indicator called kill zone. Now, once you find kill zone, just add it onto your chart. You can actually use any trading session indicator you find on trading view, but I just use kill zone. Now, so since we're in Asian session, now we need to focus only on the highs and the lows of Asian session. So because we're in London session now, so we have this Asian session low right here. We mark that, and then we mark the Asian session high. All right. And then you'll be done with your most recent support and resistance zone on the 4 hour. Now we go down to the H1 time frame. We go down to the H1 time frame. Actually, this is the New York session low. Now when we go down here to the H1 time frame, we can see the charts more clearly, right? Now we have, this is actually the Asian session low right over here. We got the Asian session low right over here. We mark that. And then the previous day Asian session low is right over here. We mark that as well. So now you have now you already have multiple, you have multiple support and resistance zones that you marked on the H4 and on the H1. Now we see what this is looking like on the 30-minute, and that's it. You're already done with your zone. So now for these buys that we're looking at, probably pushing up. If we break these most recent Asian highs at 164 700, then you're looking at possibly GJ getting up to this next resistance at 165 200, because we have another high right over here, which was the previous high. So this is going to be a take profit target, because in this game all we're simply doing is we're trading from zones to zones. That's all we're simply doing, no more, no less. I don't care what strategy you're using, you absolutely trading from zones to zones. If you take a trade from one zone, your next target has to be the next zone by looking to the left, or looking to the, yeah, looking to the left. I mean, you got to look to the left to mark up your zones and to look for your take profit target. Right over here we had another previous support here that price rejected from, just looking on the 30-minute, which was the previous day Asian session low. Now if GJ had continued dropping, this could have been a potential take profit target as well, since we already broke the most recent Asian lows. Alright, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Now, if you really know what you're doing, if you really understand how to look at the candlesticks, how to look at the charts, and be able to identify your zones without using any indicators, without no extra help, then just do that. I just decided to use Q zones to show you guys that there's also an easier way for you to find your zones by focusing on your highs and your lows by using the Q zone trading session. It's going to let you see that session recent high and recent lows, and you just mark it. All right, now right over here, this is now our London session high, our London session low. Right over here we have a low at London session right now, which is now a support zone, and which is still, the Asian session zone as lows as well. So rejected off of that. That's how you do it, guys. Yo, Mr. Grind Time. But if you're still looking to, trade, London session, now if GJ breaks 164 700, then you have your buys back to 165 200 at least. And who knows, maybe it's going to break 165 200 as well. Who? A-Rod? On whose stream? Whose stream is A-Rod on and is talking trash about me? Oh, Golden Boy, which stream is he on and is talking trash about me? Okay.
I want to.
I caught him 2 days ago talking trash about me. He's just mad because I blocked him. Food in my kitchen, all of that talking without no walking, can't help my vision. When I step out and put my neck out, they try to play me so I don't go out without my blowout. Brought that 380, all of my brothers pray for their mothers, cause I can't tame them, got no answer, can't kill their cancer, how can you blame them? I was hoping I could be open with all my feelings, but not fuck it, I take that bucky without no ceilings. I've been praying, but I ain't saying that I ain't stressing, I ain't moping, cause I'm just hoping I learned my lesson. I need Jesus. If he knows how to trade on his own, why is he on other people's stream
you like me,
taking the
you be in
outrage.
strange moods, so I'm just praying
I
for
don't even
answers. I
care,
know they
whatever.
hiding the truth from us. Pray for protection. I know they plotting on
Uh,
newcomers. Right through the city,
Sultan, I'm
my roof a
actually
leaking. My speaker
eating
speaking. My
cookies.
conscience stressing, but I be knowing that he be tweaking. Say I was thinking this weekend we get
Cookies
to
is the
linking
only
up.
snack
Plus all
I
that
eat.
good in the wood and we start the linking up. She understanding my language, I think she speaking well. She ease the pain on my brain, it's causing my people hell. And since you looking, I'm looking, maybe we find a way to put your heart to the surface and put your mind away.
Did any one
They
of you
dropped the
watch
zero
the
on
New
that
York
dying
session
penny
stream?
without permission. No pot to
Remember
piss,
the
we
setup
tryna
we took
offer you
this morning
propositions. What about
down
my
in New
shit
York?
be funny, they call it
This was the
entertainment. Niggas
exact
rather
same
flex when they
setup.
huddle, watch who you entertain.
Just like
Pray
this.
about my freedom, so I'm
Where was
ready
it?
to come correct it. Thinking I'm your enemy, all your energy misdirected. I said it
Right
to
over
my
here.
people, I struggle to be
Right
connected.
over here.
I got that call from my cousin,
I said, okay, we rejected the previous resistance, so we're gonna take the buy. Hold on, let me see. Where was it? Um, Let me see. Yesterday was July 14. Man, can't remember the time we took it. Was it over here? I think it was right over here. I can't remember, but it was exactly the same setup. Rejection right at a previous resistance that became support to the right. Rejected it, then we took it buy, and we freaking lose. We freaking lost yesterday morning. And that's the same setup right here, right now, that's playing out. Is there an indicator for the zone so we can put buy sell limit? I don't know of any indicator that helps you draw your support and resistance. I don't know any indicator that does that.
I want a new day, just to show my buddies I'm at peace. This one's for butter on his skirt. This one's for fresh cut greens. This for the sound the paper make when I roll up my relief. This for that good Mac Miller. This for them well kept dreams. This for the people who kept chasing when they told you not to be.
Water's warm, day is long.
Very soon, sooner or later, A-Rod is gonna start calling DC a scam too.
This is aimless love.
Because when A-Rod first started watching my channel,
Can you find the
it wasn't that way. He wasn't saying all that about me.
Selling alone around the room until
So,
day is done. Can you find the beauty in the small things? This is aimless love. Selling alone around the room until my day is done. Can you find the beauty in the small things? This is aimless love. Selling alone around the room until my day
and I
is
told
done.
him,
Can you find the beauty in the small things?
if you're such a freaking good trader,
Somebody unusual.
why don't you start your own
Pull
freaking
your head about that.
live stream on YouTube?
Everything is wonderful. If you
And let's see how
let
good you are.
yourself get
Because
caught
I
up,
feel like
don't
people
miss
think
your
doing this
Clean
is
your energy.
doing this live
Back. Think that there's
is
a
actually
key.
easy.
Gratitude.
Doing this live is not easy at all.
Find the beauty in the little things like coffee pots and peppermints. Find the beauty in
It's
the
like
little things. When you do, that's everything. This is aimless love.
doing this live is like you're carrying
Can you find the beauty in
the
the small things? This is
the whole world on your shoulder.
rolling around my room until my day is done. Can you find the beauty in the
You're
small
carrying the whole
things?
world on your shoulder. You're under pressure. So it's not easy. It freaking takes a lot of courage. Um, how can you say don't be lazy, learn to do also what I understand yourself? It's worth it. Absolutely.
I wake up, I go ball, I go hard with my dog, spit it all. What's the call? Need a 10, never fall.
You said I should show. All right, Brian. Have a great flight. I should show you what I'm eating. He said I'm always draw down, and he knows I'm paper trading. Huh. Who in here? Who in here has never been in a drawdown when they take a trade? Yeah, he's absolutely a clown. He's just a hater. Let him keep hating. As Maluleka said, he's making us know. He's making us know. Actually, I'm gonna be nosy. There's nothing going on right now. So I'm gonna be nosy. I'm gonna go see what he's saying. We're all gonna see what A-Rod is saying.
Never lie through my teeth. Why? What you get is what you see. Why? New fit, that's neat. Yeah.
Come on, look, YouTube.
For the green like a reef. Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak. Yeah. Love when the silly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I get to it up in my sleep.
Golden Boy, has DC taken any trades? I'm trying to be nosy here. Nosy me. Look at me being nosy. Yeah, I'm trying to see.
Lately it's looking like everything perfect. Out the mud with it, I put the work, and you can find me where that turf is.
Damn, what the hell is going on?
Bad ones used to curb me, showing up to the show when the curve split. She know that I'm worth it, I'm finna go up on area. I got the hit stash, got a bracelet for impact. Real tricky, quick to flip a pretty penny to a thick stack, quick stack. Think fast and I talk real. I give a fuck about how they feel. Me and Zay just dropped the propane and it sounded like mass appeal. For my dog, I'ma ride to the wheels kill. Got his hand on the hammer, so keep it legit. I've been a man with the blueprint. I won't stop till I own every brick. I used to lay out in the lounge just to feel the world spin on its axis. Now I got the access and the last laugh got it off of the passion. I keep it 100 on the dash now that we got our subtraction. Slick talker, I'm a showstopper, you are not solid. Tread cautious, couldn't go a mile in my toe boxes. Stunning shade with the Visine. Light it up and bring the vibe in. Lime tint, color spot beam on me.
I'm gonna be nosy.
Ultraviolet. Hey, I told her make sure that phone is on silent so we know what the vibe is. Take a look in my iris. I think she know that I'm high risk. I never know what the time is. I never know when my mind went. Hey, I got a lot on my plate. I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. Yeah. Look, it's a lot on my mind, and I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. I'ma make sure that. Hey, I got a lot on my
Hi DC.
I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight.
Oh, okay. DC hasn't taken any trades yet.
I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight.
Wow.
Did not hear it
Toss a coin in the waterfalls in the wishing well. Now I get plenty coin, bitch himself.
clearly from Philippines, which broke him. Vantage markets, it's there in the chat. Torre, just send it to me on.
Damn, where the hell is it? Oh no, I didn't. Well, maybe DC deleted it. Something is wrong. I gotta restart this, refresh this. I can't see it, Golden Boy. You hungry? What's going on? What's going on, Tony? Yeah, Tony. He's probably mad. What am I doing up this time? Trading, trying to trade London. This month, Sultan.
Lately it's looking like everything perfect. Out the mud with it, I put the work and you can find me where that turf is. Pin precision like a surgeon.
He said I lost for 3 weeks. That's very funny. I lost for 3 weeks straight. That's crazy.
Think fast and I talk real. I give a fuck about how they feel. Me and Zay just dropped the propane and it sounded like massive pill. For my dog, I'ma ride to the wheels kill. Got his hand on the hammer, so keep it legit.
Damn, what's... Looks like I'm not meant to see Everett's comments today. Because YouTube is just acting crazy. You said why do we feel bad when we see a trade that we call and we are not in it play out? It's me on GU, head and shoulders played out. You took GU? That's nice. Yes, a lot of people didn't know that I'm streaming London session today. By Monday, everyone will know that we're streaming London. They probably don't have this type of cookies in your country. I don't know. This is what it's called. Chips Ahoy. That's what it's called. I have the whole freaking pack. Wow, so my webcam just freaking froze again. I don't know what's wrong with this. Oh, no, not that. I don't know what's wrong with this. I don't know what's wrong with my webcam today. Let me fix my webcam first and then I'll show you the cookies I'm eating. Alright. So this is the cookies I'm eating right here. It's called Chips Ahoy. See that? I have the whole freaking pack and I've almost finished it. A whole family size all by myself.
Look at my neck bright. I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe. Off of that side. I'm in a new coupe. My nigga, I been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah. I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe. Off of that. I'm in a new coupe. My nigga, I been
Yeah, I just fixed it. It's my webcam. I don't know what's going on with my webcam today. I don't know what's going on with it.
The way we lit, they throwing shade, but they never say nothing.
I know, right?
My drip on blade running. And the way we move, it ain't no creases on my A1s. 2021 about to be mine, word to my day ones. Niggas shooting blind
I freaking see it.
for the frames, huh? I don't take no L's, my boy. I learned from y'all mistakes, huh? I just up my rate, I made my way, get out of my lane, bruh. Now we got some traction, everything been so surreal. I'm trying to get used to keeping check of how I feel. My ex is somewhat stressed, you drop the ball, but
Ooh,
that's
nice rejection on AJ. Should be a nice sell right now.
concerned with how my time about to rebuild. Need a couple meal tickets in my pocket till the bill. Quick to flip a bill, bitch, I'm about to profit. I'm a real nigga with them wheels spinning, never stopping on that boss shit.
I love Vic and retest like this on the 30-minute time frame. Just look at that on AJ. It should come down to this support at least, back to these lows at least. Anyways,
My nigga, I been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check, right? I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe.
no, she has her own cookies.
We touching Perry, that shit necessary. Double G kid, she speaking French, but I'm not understanding. Mom sent those flicks of my daddy that drip.
And she doesn't love cookies like that much. I'm the only one who loves cookies.
I don't like percents. I'm not cool with friends of friends. I don't do the trends. I set them. I ain't lacking shit. I can't do contend. Double rope chain necklace make her wet. She jumping out of skin. The Brody almost caught her straight from round away on split decision. We treat now like all we got is the moments we in. Always want to keep it real. Lately I can't tell if niggas really about that shit they saying or they say it just to sell. Ain't worry about no bill. Cause when you building what we build, you know we headed where the bread is. Got the squad up going with me. Subtle flex, I need that check, so fuck a hype beast. Last year was some shit, but now my life been moving light speed. I was down bad, but now we way up where them pipes be. Flip that to a movie, I star in same time I'm Spike Lee. Niggas really tight, I turn my life into they pipe dream. She say she wanna sightsee, let's start with what the night brings.
Good morning, Emmanuel. Oh, you late. After that, you will get to your stomach. Yeah, that's why I only ate. So I'm gonna take one more cookies so I can finish a roll, and then I'm gonna leave the rest for another day. I'm not going nowhere.
Look at my neck bright, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side, I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right.
Why is this repeating? Why is it on repeat?
Off of that, I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired. I get that check right. Hey, I don't do no.
We go forever now. We go
We go forever now.
You know that was your settle. You wish that you could do better. No, no, we won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. I know that I can do better. I'm so in love with the cheddar. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born in a crate. Then I turned out to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits. Lost my mind, I gotta fix it. Kill the beat, cold killer. Need to change the way I'm living. Never sleeping, I'm tripping. This is forever and ever. We live forever and ever.
Alright, this thing finally loaded. I'm still trying to be.
We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. Yeah. Ooh. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever.
Still looking for a word comment. Trying to be nosy. Damn, that's it. I can't see it. Oh man, I think this is. Okay, I think DC deleted his comment because I can't see it. I think DC deleted his comment. Look at Maluleka. Maluleka is now on DC stream. He's trying to catch another trade. Shit, he's probably still here too, watching both of us at the same time. Yeah, this GJ setup played out nice. Yeah, not while he's live, Golden Boy. You know, you can't rewind live streams. Maluleka, you're watching both of us at the same time? Okay, I don't blame you.
We was in the trenches, now look how we out here ballin'. Pumped up in the max, now we flooring in the falling. We ain't do a show in like a year, now we toiling. Did a pop-up shopping, now we open up a store. Keep our foot on gas, so you know we can't be stalling. Thank the man above, cause these blessings keep on pouring. Every time we drop, you know the people gon' support it. See into the future, I can tell it's gon' be more lit. Used to tell myself, now while I can't afford it.
Yeah, AJ should head back down to this support. Because he rejected this previous Asian highs, and you can see it's heading down. I'm just not trying to take any more trades here. Oh man, it's coming down. You got like a 20 pip range here. If it keeps dropping, you got like a 20 pip range on AJ. Nice break, retest, rejection, bam. No, I'm not taking this. I'm just telling you guys this AJ setup that it should freaking drop. I'm not taking it. No, I'm not. I'm not in. The only trade I took today was that EJ sell. That's the only trade. I've not taken anything else. Honestly, if London session doesn't want to move, it's because it's looking like this Friday is gonna be trash. Maybe New York session might move, and you know, you look for buys above 164,700 and sells below 163,700 right here.
me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that mean greet. Vibe with me in the moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Chase toasted and be raised soak in the raincoat. Hit the waist quota, I be flossing. I be locked in, was lost here. All that turned me to a target. They be cutting on me, I be cautious. Back then I was an adolescent, then I had a lesson. I'm the man now, I got fans now, I'm on cam now. I got plans now, I'm finna branch out. Grew up quick, but never let go of this year. I put all of that in my rip. Blue tin papers, blowing vapors, sweating traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play to play, now I think we major now. Shit, lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down.
Now, so GJ, back to what? Back to the ring. I know. Let me go to the 15-minute. Alright, it could actually drop right now because we kind of rejected this 15-minute support here. We're currently rejecting off of it. So, looking at the 15 minutes, sales below 164, 100 could play nice for a quick scalp for about 40 pips, 30 to 40 pips depending on your entry. But you gotta wait for it to close below 164, 100, and then you can take sales because that's our Asian lows. So we got our Asian lows right here, and we got our London lows right over here. So if it comes down and breaks below the Asian session again, then you could take sales back to this London session, and you know, you could get a runner all the way down. But so far, I'm not really liking the volume we have on GJ. So this is exactly why I say you gotta be careful, because we really closed above the Asian lows. So that means we're probably gonna continue pushing up, and maybe we're gonna break above these highs, these Asian highs, or we're gonna reject it again and eventually break it in New York session, maybe. Yeah, if you're trying to take a sell from here, you just be very careful. Just be very careful. I wouldn't recommend it, but you can do whatever you want. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that mean greet. Vibe with me in the moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. This is buying GJ. You mean he bought it just now or he's already in? Oh, damn. Man, this is a very risky move. Well, I hope he wins. I hope he wins. I mean, that's really a 15-minute low though. Just like I explained to you guys, it's a 15-minute low. It's a minor zone, so it could play out and this thing could freaking just keep rejecting and sell. I hope it wins. Trip, I got the recipe. 46 minute. I'm really trying to see Tel Aviv. Fuck your elevation. I've been levitated in the preparation. I've been meditated. I've been hella patient. I'm so tired of waiting. I got right here with my date. Young niggas from where that crevice be. I've been silent since the less of me. Out here with the sea, really in the field. Niggas on cam now. I got plans now. Finna branch out. Grew up quick, but never let go of this here. All of that bullshit is in my rip. Hey, blue tin papers, blowing vapors, sweating trailers. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch. I made it. Used to play to play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. hope DC wins this trade.
Shake, hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me. Hold it down for me. Shake, hold it all the way down. Shake down for me. Hold it down for me. Shake, hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me. Shake down for me.
Let me see if I'll see whatever he was saying. Damn, you got the exact number. Golden Boy has the exact number, guys. 47.12. 47.12.
I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Yeah.
So I'm gonna just start it from right over here and see if I'll see it.
Got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter. I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter. I can keep on thumbing it. Okay, I might hit the 20 off a laptop in a Zoom meeting making.
Alright, I think he passed it. I don't see it.
Harder than a slap shot. Flew up my baby, told her rub me like I'm Epcot. Whoa, whoa, I've been doing road on the go, get it back and flip it, that's for sure, yeah, for sure. That was never talk about nothing. Turn it down and go get you some money. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Eyes on the money, my brothers got my back. Streets moving funny, so I been holding strap. Not playing defense, we been on the attack. Plotting the scheme and how we gon' get it back. Designer all on you, but you can't buy the swag. No mirrors, those foo-foo, I see the tag. You can bet if I spending this cause I get it back. I'm 5G, $1, I can see the lag. All I ever wanted was to have it all. Got close, never felt.
Alright, it's right at 47.12. Yeah, I don't see his comment, Golden Boy.
Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit
Yep, I don't see his comment.
someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it.
I don't know, maybe DC deleted it.
I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get
Yeah, that was what I was saying. That buys that he took, it was a very risky buy. Oh, damn, I missed it. Okay, let me go back. I wasn't looking at the left. Okay,
Young is coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand up, they want us to split the pie, right? Cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah, I flip my pie, really did that 180. Yeah. I flip my pie, really did that 180. Young is coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand up, they want us to split the pie, right? Cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah, I flip my pie, really did that 180.
damn, I don't see it. Oh, yep, the sales. Yep, we rejected it. AJ is dropping too, just like I predicted. And A-Rod is calling me a bad trader. Very interesting. Yeah, I don't see it, Golden Boy. Good job, Sultan. Maluleka, tell Message A-Rod and tell him, since DC just lost, does that mean he's a bad trader? Crazy, very crazy.
Ain't nobody close to me. Granted, my hits touch the billboards and they printing my face on the billboard. They envy my drip, I'm enlightened. You should let go of that hate, but you feel more. I make them rage every time they get flame when they hear what I say, coming straight from the source, yeah. I come a long way from the coast by the shore, and my boy majority. Young is coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand out, they want us to
Yeah, I don't see it.
right, cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah, I flip my pie, really did that 180. I flip my pie, really did that 180.
If GJ breaks this low, if GJ breaks this Asian lows, it should be heading down. I should back it up a little bit more.
New thing going crazy. They be like, look, girl, that's Xavier. Young nigga sauced up, I'm gravy. Sweet on the
Let me put it at 46 or something.
rock a young drop top. I got the
So it was at 47. Let me put it at 48.
fucking with me, but I see him doing what he can do. And I came in this with the ruffians loaded. I'm buffering, flexing, I'm buff again. Winning, they know that I'm up again. Talk like he busting, I know he gon' bluff again. Sweatsuit with the suede on it, not a stain on it, just a vaccine. Got a thing.
Oh man, it's just
brown babies with the accent, and they know that it's really up. With the coppers, we tear the whole city up. Hit the stage and she holding them up. About to flip me 100, put 50 up. They be popping that for the internet. They want an Oscar, I'm cool on the fakery though. How you be doing the most when you doing the least? They be loafing on bakery mode. I got a screw face like they smell something, but it makes sense. I'm the excrement. Top billing and I'm crop killing, and I'm not feeling all the extra shit. Salt ducking with a spice girl playing top chef for the honey dips. Every app like the cash app when you really get into the money flips. Yup, it's coming to you live from a place where nobody else know the time. They want us to spit the pie.
I see something now. It said, you know, if I want to see why people who don't buying this. Okay,
Yup, it's coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand out, they want us to spit the pie, right? Cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah.
that's crazy. The fact that he said, I've lost for 3 weeks straight is just incredible to me. I'm freaking at 75% for the whole year. How am I a bad trader? That's freaking insane. You're the one that's a bad trader. You're over here watching other people stream, trying to freaking take whatever trade they take. I don't know, maybe I'll see it now, whatever. Doo, doo, doo. Anyways, I ain't got time. I don't have time for A-Rod. I ain't got his time. Yo, TP3. What did DC tell him? I couldn't hear what DC said because it's on mute. What did DC tell him?
I only hit you when I want something. Thug till you realize all I wanted was you. You only hit me when you love drunk, cause you realize all I wanted was you. I only hit you when I want something. Thug till you realize all I wanted was you. You only hit me when you love drunk, cause you realize all I wanted was you. I be like, baby, don't do that. You press my buttons, you know better, depending on where my mood at. What's so fucked up, I just might let her. We done weather, plenty weather, it's whatever with me though. Cause I know somebody gon' love me and won't never let me go. Think it's better that we grow with each other on my mother. What you do under them covers, it be better than these. And I ain't saying that I'm perfect, baby girl, cause you know me. But everything I say I do and everything I do low key. Why you flexing for them photos and them is in your tweets? He that nigga on the gram, but I'm that nigga in these streets. Just remember that I got Love drunk, cause you realize all I wanted was you. I only hit you when I want something. Love till you realize all I wanted was you.
I mean, Maluleka losing his part of trading. Losing his part of trading. When I saw that he took those the buys, I'm like, I mean, I hope it goes his way. I wouldn't have taken it, that's just me. But losing his part of trading, it could have went his way. And that's why I went to the 15-minute time frame earlier to see if we could actually continue. But then I saw that we had this 15-minute low, and it's actually rejecting that 15-minute low right over here. That was why I was like, man, I hope it goes his way. So you can see we have the 15-minute low here, and we kind of have a minor resistance here, which price came down, rejected it a few times before eventually broke it on the 15-minute. So that was why he lost the trade. Even this sell that Sultan took, I still wouldn't have taken it. I will be waiting to see if we're gonna break below 164, 100. We all trade differently. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, it's a clear rejection. But are we really gonna continue coming down though? Because like I said, we've actually broke the previous support, Asian session low. We broke it, closed above it very nicely, and we actually at a very, very strong support zone right over here. So the buy was a risky buy and the sell was a risky sell as well. Now, if we had no zones here, if we had no zones at 164, 100, oh yeah, then that would have been a less risky sell. The sell would have been a less risky sell, because you can see now we rejected it again. We're rejecting the support zone again. Yeah, I know. The sales that I would have taken, that would have been less risky, would have been at this resistance right here. Especially if GJ does this eventually, does this, reject off of it, came down a little bit here, and then we tested it again, and then I will take the sell right there, coming back down to this support. This is the sell that I would have taken, coming back down to this support here, or coming back down to this London session support right over here.
Ain't shit sweet, ain't shit funny. Yeah, it's blue tints on my hundreds. Life been going how I want it. Fuck, I look like stressing. I be finessing. No low in my section. Built like a blessing. Fuck, I look like stressing. Life been going how I got my muscle flexing.
Honestly, to tell you guys the truth, in my own opinion, right now the buys actually looks more valid than the sell. Simply because we broke and closed, because this is a major, this we have, so we have a major support here and we have a major resistance right here. So, and we also have a major support zone right here. One thing you have to understand that when it comes to trading, we have two zones each, whether it's a resistance or a support. We have major zones and minor zones. The best entry you ever get is from a major zone. That's the best entry. And less risky entries. Minor zones entry, they're more riskier. It could work in your favor, but it's a very risky trade, taking a trade from a minor zones. So whenever I trade, I really only be looking to take trades once we break structure from a major zone. That's why if you go to the higher time frame, let's say the 1 hour, you really cannot see that zone. Especially if you go to the 4 hour, you can't see it. You can't see all those minor zones. You only see major zones, especially on the 4 hour. In order for you to get minor zones, you got to go down to like the 30 minute, 15 minute and below. You see minor zones a lot, especially on the 5 minute. Especially on the 5 minute. Now, if we look at GG here on the 5 minute, you see now we created a resistance right over here at 164,450. Is it a major zone? No, it's not a major zone. It's a minor zone. Now you can still take trades from a minor zone if you know what you're doing. Now here on the 5 minute time frame, if you're looking at it on the 5 minute time frame, you could have had a better entry on the 5 minute. Right here, once this candle created a top wick, this candle would have been your entry. Could have just taken it back to this support. That's 20 pips. That's 20 pips. Yeah. It's probably cause you rugs. I just got fresh with the golden piece, show the emoji, okay. You know it's me, diamond soul dancing, singing like Jodeci. 10 out of 10 every time till they notice me. Fuck what you thought I was supposed to be. Ain't nobody close to me. Don't tell my hands touch the billboards, and they printing my face on the billboard. They envy my drip, I'm enlightened. You should let go of that hate, but you feel more. I make them rage every time they get flame when they hear what I say coming straight. I think it's going up. That H4 don't have a top wig. You got in on the 15 minute time frame on the sell, Golden Boy. You took buys or sell? Oh, yeah, this could work out for you. Because this candle has no top wick. Yeah, this 4 hour, so it could flip bullish. If New York session really moves, New York session might be good today. Because London session really didn't do anything today. Ain't there nigga fucking with me, but I see him doing what he can do. And I came in this bitch with the ruffians loaded, I'm buffering, flexing, I'm buff again. Winning, they know that I'm up again. Talk like he busting, I know he gon' bluff again. Yeah, the 4 hour time frame has, that candle has a 50% chance of flipping bullish or continuing down. However you look at it, it's a risky trade. Whether you're buying or you're selling right now, it's a risky trade.
be loafing on bakery mode. I got a screw face like they smell something, but it makes sense. I'm the excrement. Top billing and I'm crop killing and I'm not feeling all that extra shit. Salt ducking with a spice girl playing top chef for the honey dips. Every app like the cash app when you really get into the money flips. Y'all niggas coming to get live from a place where nobody else know to take it.
All right, guys. God bless you all. I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream. There's nothing going on. I'll see you guys on Monday. It's gonna be London session, guys, not New York session. So I'll see you guys again Monday, London session, and let's catch some pips. Let's make some more money next week. God bless you all. See you guys on Monday.